but this is an 8-inch screen. Are you losing that much? Are you gaining that much? Is it that big of a difference? Is it worth the extra money when you can watch it like this? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Foster with Tech A Day. And what we have before us is the Galaxy Trifold and the Mate XT from Huawei, completely unfolded in their full glory. And this is how we would use them. This is what you would do. This is what they were made for. This is the best use case for these devices. You are going to consume content full screen, getting corner to corner picture, and they look amazing. Now, we have the same picture from the same show, RJ Decker, which is amazing, by the way, at the same point, 85% brightness on both screens. And I want to bring in the Oppo Find N6 at the same point, full screen. Now, if you caught my other video, black bars, you would know that on folding phones, you don't have to watch videos with black bars as you have been told by the masses. You can watch videos in full corner to corner aspect ratio. It's all about how you watch and what you're watching on. And if you hit me in the comments, I can help you out with that and help you cut the cord and help you do that. But it is possible. Now, if all you watch is YouTube, of course, you're going to get your black bars, and that's how it works. But obviously, this is possible if you do this. Now, in that video, I stated, if I'm paying $3,000 to $4,000 for this device here, I have this one, the Mate XT you can get for anywhere between, $2,000 to $2,500 right now. The new XTS, is going anywhere from, $2,000 to $3,000. This is going anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000 right now. This is great, 10-inch screen, but this is an 8-inch screen. Are you losing that much? Are you gaining that much? Is it that big of a difference? Is it worth the extra money when you can watch it like this? If you move this one off and you put this one here and you say, hey, look at those. And you say, yeah, maybe you say that to that. And let's go maybe right here. And let's try that. And say, hey, is it that big of a deal? And are you getting that much more in terms of real estate to where it's worth the extra money? It's your money. Don't let me tell you how to spend your money. It's your money. I'm not just going to do a video content thing. I'll also do I'm going to do a spreadsheet. I'm going to do a Word document on these devices, on these same 3 devices. And I'm going to see, is the difference are you really getting that big of a difference on these devices where it really makes a difference? Are you really seeing that much more on that 10-inch screen versus the 8-inch screen that it's worth almost 3 times as much money for one device over the other? You tell me. I don't know. It's your money. All right, YouTube. Got sheets up on all 3. Yeah, I think this one obviously goes to the Trifold. You know, there's not really a comparison on the dual fold, on the dual screen fold. You know, you can only really get from A to E on the screen, but on both the trifolds, you can get from A to H, and you can see on both, you know, you can definitely see, you know, more real estate on both. You can get from rows 1 to 17. I can get 1 to 14, you know, going up and down. You know, so actually, you know, it's not an extra 3 rows in both directions. I don't know. It's not as big a difference as I thought it was gonna be. But it is a difference. You know, you can get from A to H on the trifolds and from 1 to 17. Whereas on the dual fold, you can get from 1 to 14 and A to E, which, you know, you're talking 3 rows, a 3-row difference in the workable space that you have on the actual screen. So, you know, I don't do a lot of work in spreadsheets, but the work in spreadsheets that I do, I would never need to look at more spreadsheets, look at more rows and columns than would be visible on my dual fold, my dual screen folding phone. Whereas the trifolds obviously give you so much information on these, which is great. Obviously, don't get me wrong. But I would never need to see that much information in one sitting. But obviously, having access to that information is obviously the best case scenario. More is always better. So obviously, the win would go to the trifolds in that scenario. But again, like I said, is that extra 3 rows enough that you would say, yeah, I need to pay 2 to 3 times more for these devices over this device? That's where it's losing me. Are those extra 3 rows worth it? Because you can't work those 3 rows at the same time. You can only work what's in front of you. So let me go get the keyboard and a stand, and I'll be right back. Now, this is the actual keyboard that you could buy for the Huawei Mate XT. But as you see, it works for the Galaxy Trifold. And so even if you were doing this, it has mouse built in, just like that. You can go home, Just like that. Still don't figure out how to do all the. You know, so you still can do all that kind of stuff. So no matter what you do, it works on all the tablets. The Oppo Find N6 has a similar Bluetooth style keyboard that doesn't have the trackpad, but this Bluetooth keyboard does work with this because it's just a Bluetooth keyboard. And if I remember correctly, I believe all we gotta do is, yep, I believe that's all we gotta do. Go in here, Bluetooth, bam, right there, connected. Now, it's connected. It's connected now. So, you know, this kind of keyboard works. It's kind of split, so you got to get used to the key travel, but you can use whatever kind of Bluetooth keyboard you want, with this, for, when you're in a pinch to do, whatever you, would want to do, no problem here if you wanted to do that. And obviously, if we went into our, Google Docs, it would work the same on any of these devices. And you're probably thinking, oh, Huawei device, how did you get Google Sheets on your Huawei device? Well, that video is coming soon. I will show you how to put, Google apps on a Huawei device. Very simple, takes less than 5 minutes. And, we will show you how to do that. So, at the end of the day, is it worth it? I don't know. I personally, the Trifold, I definitely see when you're in this configuration for, spreadsheets, and things like that, documents, I would probably, if I had a more traditional Bluetooth keyboard, Samsung has an amazing, Bluetooth keyboard that just released, that pairs very well with the Trifold. I might get one of those to kind of carry around with me in my bag. And, in a pinch, if I'm just doing a lot of emails, spreadsheets, data entry type stuff, with my Trifold that's over the internet, nothing too, heavy, nothing too heavy, in terms of like editing or anything like that. I could easily do that, on my Trifold. But, like I said, it's basically a tablet that folds. I don't think I will leave or get away from that, that thought process, whereas this device is a phone. This is a legit phone with flagship cameras that unfolds and has realistic tablet capabilities. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, obviously we all spend our money, how we feel most comfortable. But like I said, you guys have seen now with your own eyes, as far as content consumption, as far as data entry, You know, is the extra real estate as far as spreadsheets, 3 rows in either direction, extra 2 inches in video, is it worth it? 2 to 3 times more money for the same performance? I don't know. You tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, man. This is Foster with Tech A Day, and I'll see you guys real soon.